How to rotate image smoothly in Davinci Resolve. Bring your image into the timeline. With your image selected, open the inspector panel. Move the playhead to where you want to start animating the image. Click on diamond button next to rotation angle to create a starting keyframe. Click on this button to see the keyframes. Move the playhead to where you want the animation to stop. And increase the rotation angle to around 250. To increase the rotation speed, move the second keyframe closer to the first one. To smoothen the animation, click on this curve button to see the curves. Now select both keyframes and click on the curve button to smoothen the curve. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.